Welcome. If you're looking to bring people together for conversations, projects, or just to stay connected, creating a new Telegram group is a fantastic way to do it. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to set up your very own group on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to use. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on that to open the menu. Now from the menu, find and tap on the option labeled New Group. This is where the group creation process begins. Telegram will prompt you to select the members you want to add. Scroll through your contacts or use the search bar to quickly find friends, family, or colleagues. You can select as many members as you like. Even large communities are welcome, since Telegram groups can hold up to 200,000 members. After you've chosen your members, tap on the Next or Checkmark button, usually found in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. Now it's time to give your group its identity. Enter a name for your group, something catchy, descriptive, or just fun. If you want, you can also add a group photo by tapping the camera icon and selecting an image from your gallery. This step is optional, but it helps your group stand out. Once you've named your group and set the picture, confirm your choices by tapping the checkmark or Create button. That's it. Your new Telegram group is now live and ready for conversations, sharing files, planning events, or whatever you have in mind. You can always customize your group further in the settings, add more members, or even make your group public for a wider audience. But with these quick steps, you've already created a new space for your community to connect and collaborate. Happy chatting!